Alright guys, jokes aside, let's get the things that we need. So we already have 1, 2, but let's make sure to get all these. Let's find them. Let's see where they are. They should be inside this little package, so we might as well just unbox that real quick and go searching. Those are the little clips that we'll need later on. We don't need those right now. The bumper, bunch of other parts, but this is what we were looking for. And those are the suspension bits, but we won't need for now. These for the suspensions, little arms, zip ties. Oh great, oh great. We probably need this pretty soon. So I think that's all that we need for now. And in the next video we will continue. Thanks for watching.
Likey.